Hey guys, how's it going? Onion Man here, and welcome back to another tech unboxing. Today we're going to be taking a look at the MPow wireless Bluetooth receiver. Let's take a look. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the MPow Bluetooth receiver. It is a little receiver, about that big. It's used for in your car if you don't have Bluetooth built in. A lot of older cars don't, but you have an auxiliary port. You can use this. You plug it into the auxiliary port, and then it turns it into a Bluetooth signal through this device. So you can use your smartphone in Bluetooth. You don't have cables running everywhere. Makes it a lot cleaner. That is actually what I'm going to be using it for. I'm also going to test it on the Nintendo Switch, see if it would work in there. I have a feeling it's not going to work, but we're going to try it. And yeah, so let's just get right into this. Let's open this up here. Packaging on the outside is just MPow. Shows a picture of the receiver. Nothing too crazy. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Nothing really on the back. It's basically the same information on the back as the front. The inside. Open this up here. So you open it up and you get, and this is empty here, get rid of that. So you get a little MPow card thing. It has some stuff involving their products, I guess. Also something to do with their VIP club. Some little promotional card. And then there's 3 compartments here on this thing. There's one on the right here. We'll see what's in there. Okay, so there's some kind of little adapter to plug into auxiliary port or headphones or whatever you're using. It's a 2-ended headphone jack, the end part. There's one on each end, I guess, so you can plug it into this device, and then also into your auxiliary part in your car. So there's that. And then we have micro USB or mini, I forget what they're called. I think it's micro USB for charging this thing. It does need to be charged after a certain amount of hours. I'm not exactly sure how many, but and the other side, feeling has, yeah, other side has an auxiliary cable. So if you don't have one already, it comes with one. So you can plug it into that and into your car if you don't want to have it just sticking out of your auxiliary port, and maybe it could break off. This is a good option if you want to just run the cable somewhere else. It also comes with a 3M adhesive little piece. I'm not sure if that's used for maybe sticking this device onto your dash somewhere so it's out of the way, and then you never have a chance of breaking it off. And then there is, in the middle here, there's the device, but we're going to look at the paperwork first. There is your instruction manual and your warning papers. And what's this last one here? Important notice. Well, it's all your warranty stuff. There's a 45-day full refund and 24-month limited warranty. Okay, that's good to know. And that is all that's in the box here. We'll just take a look at the last piece here. There's a piece of foam in the middle that has the receiver in it. It's very small. It's like 1 inch by 2.5 inches. So on the device, there is a spot for your aux cable, or that little double-ended thing as well. That works too. So there's a slot for that. On the side there, there's a big button on the front for phone calls and to play and pause the songs you're wanting. You can use this as well, I guess, for calls and stuff. If you have it on your dash with that 3M adhesive, you can just press the button and take calls with this. It also has, I think it's either skip song on the side here. There's like a plus and minus, so it's probably maybe volume and as well as skip your songs back and forth. And then there's also the button that turns it on, right on the side here. You just flip it up and then it switches the device on. And you can see it's blinking. So then you want to pair it to your smartphone or tablet or whatever you're using. Most likely a smartphone if it's in your car. And then you just plug it into your auxiliary port and you're good to go. Okay guys, so I just tried it with the Switch and it does not work with the Switch. It just isn't the right way to connect it. It's not made to connect that way through a Switch. So unfortunately it doesn't work that way, but it does work with an old pair of headphones, like let's say earbuds. If you want to make them wireless and you don't want to have them run into your phone, you can have them run into this thing. And then this can be in your pocket. So your headphones will go plug into the little port here. You connect it to your phone through Bluetooth, and then you can make those headphones into Bluetooth. So that is how it works as far as headphones wise. There's also a voice assistant on here as well. You just gotta hold down the button for roughly 1 second, and it should connect. I'm gonna connect it to my phone here now, and we're gonna just test that in real time. Okay guys, so I actually just tested the voice thing here now. So yeah, once you have it connected through Bluetooth, you hold the button for 1 second, and it'll prompt you to choose a voice assistant to use through this device. So it doesn't actually speak, but it'll relay it through either Google, like I'm using the Google Pixel 3 XL here. So it automatically, it gives me a choice, but I chose Google, so it'll do everything through Google. I'm assuming it'll work with Siri as well. But yeah, that's very simple. Another thing too with this device, when you're charging it, it'll be a red ring, I believe, and it'll stay red until it's charged. Once it's charged, it'll turn off. It doesn't actually give you an exact amount of hours or minutes that it takes to charge it. It just says there's a red ring, and I'm not sure if it was blinking, but either way, there's some kind of red ring instead of white. And once it's fully charged, it'll just turn off, and then you know it's charged. It also has a standby mode, so after like 5 minutes, if you're not using it, then it'll go into standby mode and the white ring will just go away. And then just to restart it up, you just hit the button once and then it reconnects. Very simple. So yeah guys, that is the MPow Bluetooth wireless receiver. It was about 30 bucks. I'll put a link down on Amazon for this if you guys want to go check it out. If you liked this video and you found it informative, hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more tech and gaming content. And as always, I will see you guys soon.